If you are searching for RS-485 Modbus wiring, you probably want to see it work, not sit through another slide deck. This is Polarity, daisy chain, and termination inside PLC Simulation Software, captured from the real browser product. The interactive lesson exposes the working parts and lets you change the input, command, or fault state yourself. You will see the component or sensor respond, connect that visible change to its electrical signal, and learn what the PLC is actually reading. Watch the real RS-485 Modbus wiring lesson respond as the learner operates it. The visual model, plain English explanation, and guided action stay in the same context. Follow the highlighted interaction on screen and notice that the feedback changes with the action. This is the practical loop the lesson is designed to teach. Use this demo to decide whether the workflow matches what you need. The matching page goes deeper into the concept, while the browser lab lets you practice it instead of only watching it. Open the matching browser experience and complete the first practical step yourself. There is no install and no credit card required to start. Visit plcsimulationsoftware.com.